Good morning, students. Am I audible to everyone, बच्चों? Wait for a while. I'm just change my settings a little bit. Just wait for a while, huh? I'm coming within 2 minutes. I'm just reset my things. Good morning, everyone. Am I audible to everyone, students? Or is there any problem regarding the screen and the voice? Any kind of problem you have? Good afternoon, Samista. Am I audible to you, students? Okay. So guys, first we are continuing right now. I'm continuing with the periodic table, okay? And in the last like 40-50 minutes or 1 hour, we can discuss the paper. Okay. After that, we can discuss the paper. Correct, everyone? So right now, I'm continuing with the periodic table, I think. And guys, if you remember yesterday, last last class, I think yesterday means last class, I think we have find out the number of elements present in a particular period, I think. Correct, everyone? So we have done that part, the formula of ns, np, n minus 1d, n minus 2f, n minus 3g, n minus 4h, n minus 5i, and so on we have. Correct? I think that portion we have already done. Correct, students? Now, wait a minute. Look at here. So guys, we have already done this part basically. Okay, we have completed till IUPAC nomenclature of elements. अपन ने ये भी complete कर लिया IUPAC nomenclature of elements. We have done this till Vigna. We have done till here. Very nice. I'm assuming that you are there. So I think we are continuing from here. Am I correct? IUPAC nomenclature of atomic number greater than 100. We have done. Okay. So guys, so today we start from the prediction of the group number, period number, and the block number of the element. You can say. I'm not saying block number; it's a block name. Correct? Disturbance. Okay, I can. Now it will be fine, beta. Now still there any background sound? Now it's fine. It's better or like it's clear? I'm saying. Okay. Good. Am I visible to you also now? Am I visible? No, I'm not visible. Now I'm visible. Correct. Look at here. Right now I'm not writing. That's why I'm enabled some kind of webcam right now. So look at here, doctors. So basically what I'm saying right now, we need to predict the group number, period number, and the block. So guys, when we are going towards the periodic table, so I think you realize that sir, there are some period number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and sir there are group number, that group number basically 1 to 18, and sir there are some block means sir S block, P block, collectively we called representative element. Then inner in like S block, P block, बीच में कौन सा आ रहा था? D block, that we call transition metals. Okay, and sir the bottom part that is called F block element. So guys, we need to define these three things. Which three things, students? That in front of you. That is in front of you. What, sir? Sir, first we need to find out the group number, sir. Okay. Group number निकालने के बाद we need to find out the period number. Okay. Then sir, we need to find out the block number. Okay. So sir, block number के लिए क्या formula है? Sir, block number के लिए there is a very brilliant formula, students. When you write the electronic configuration, listen carefully. When we write the electronic configuration, when you put the last electron, let's say in s orbital, so s block element, p orbital, p block element, d orbital, d block element, f orbital, f block element. Very simple. Guys, but there is one exception of helium, because helium atomic number 2. So the last electron enter into a 1s2 2. So last electron enter into a s orbital, but it considered to be the p block. Why, sir? Beta, because of their property. Okay, so their property resembles to the p block element. That's why we are putting in a p block element. So this is clear to you, the block of the element. Guys, we can do some questions. Okay, on the behalf of that, you will get some more we will get some more idea about these things. Correct. Now we are moving towards the period number. So sir, what do you mean by period number? Period number is the highest principal quantum number, and highest principal quantum number is nothing, some kind, we are stated as the outermost shell. We are saying as a outermost shell. ठीक है. अब बेटा बात करते हैं पीरियड की भी. सो पीरियड का भी इजी है सर. सर लेट्स से इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट हाइड्रोजन हीलियम लिथियम. So 1s2, 2s1. So highest n number, principal quantum number value is 2. So sir, their period number is 2. Okay, that will be the easy one. The important thing and the difficult thing and the most difficult thing is the IUPAC group number. Guys, very interesting, very the very hard topic kind of. So group number कौन से होते हैं doctors? The group numbers are sir 1 to 18. The group numbers are 1 to 18. So among the group number 1 to 18, what we get beta? What we get firstly the S block element. So sir, S block के लिए क्या formula है? So group number is nothing, it's a number of ns electron, number of ns. Sir, what do you mean by n? N is the outermost shell. N is the outermost shell. Doctor, listen carefully because you don't know what do you mean by outermost. जहां पर इलेक्ट्रॉन जा रहा है, मतलब highest value of n you can say. वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन भी बोल सकते हैं. बिल्कुल सही बात है. गुड. Now sir, this is for S block element. It means sir, for S block, for P block, for D block, for F block, we have 4 formulas. Yes my dear, yes doctors, your prediction are good. Sir, for S block we have a different thing, for P block we have a different formula, for D block we have a different formula, and for F block we have a different formula. Should we write parallelly? No beta, you need not to write. Put your pen on the table. Okay sir, so I will just watch the screen carefully. Yes beta, can I loud the voice? Yes beta, you can loud the voice. थोड़ा वॉइस को इंक्रीज कर लो. My voice is intensively, you can listen, so it will be better for you. So that is for the S block element. Sir, इतना समझ में आ गया. I understand that part. Now tell me the P block. So P block में बेटा group number is equal to number of NP electron. Sir, NP means outermost P. Yes. Plus number of ns electron. Oh, plus 10. That is so important. It means sir, we need to total NP ns plus 10. Oh my god, now I understand. So this is for P block element. Now guys, I'm talking about D block. Now I'm talking about D block. So D block के लिए क्या formula होगा? So group number, this G number is group number students. So G number is equal to doctors number of n minus 1 D electrons, number of n minus 1 D electrons plus ns electron plus ns electron. Sir, it's better we can solve the example. So yes my dear, after given the formula, I will directly write down three questions, okay, based on SPD block. F block भी same है totally. So what about the F block? So F block के लिए सर बहुत ही आसान है. Group number is equal to 3. It means sir, अगर if I know that this is a F block element, so आंख बंद करना है and write down 3. Group number is 3. You need not to calculate. Okay, sometimes students are saying sir, why it is so fixed? Why it is so fixed sir? Why it is so fixed? अरे बेटा इतना क्यों टेंशन ले रहे हो यार? I think आपने periodic table सही से नहीं देखा. Okay, I will show you the periodic table from the NCERT. Thank you so much sir. No need to say thanks. So now I will show you the periodic table exactly right now. Just give me a 2 minute. No, 1 minute. I will show you the periodic table. I will show you the periodic table. I will show you the periodic table. And that's it, the periodic. This is the periodic table exactly from the NCERT. This is the copy paste actually. This is a copy paste. So look at here. 57 के बाद क्या आया है doctors? 58, 59. And look at there. The group number 4 is 72. Oh my God. 58 belongs to third. 59 belongs to third group. Third group. Third group. Third group. Third group. Every elements belong to third period. Sorry, third group element you can say. So guys, either cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, diospermium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium, thorium. ये क्या होता है पता नहीं, ठीक है. So guys, ये आपको थोड़ा याद कर लेना ये elements, their name, okay. This will be very helpful for the 12th class students. If you remember the F block element now, very honestly students, now protactinium, okay, very good, protactinium, मुझे ये सब याद है but like थोड़ा बहुत कभी कभी अपन skip कर जाते हैं. U for what? NP for neptunium, uranium, ठीक है, plutonium, americanium, CM for barcellanium, ठीक है. So these are the like the you can say scientist based elements name है ये, ठीक है. You may remember, it's better for you doctors, you are the doctor, you know very well, so doctors knows everything, correct. So that's why like suggestion guys, put the periodic table on your board. You have a notice board, that will be okay. If you don't have a notice board, don't worry, take a some kind of photocopy, okay, and paste on your room में कहीं पर भी paste कर दो. And when you are moving outside, like कभी कभार, when you have a little bit mind like set up कि now I'm very empty, so guys just go through the periodic table. You don't believe yaar, for whole 11 for whole 12 have pasted my periodic table here. At that time this board is not there, okay, I'm directly pasted with the help of tape से चिपका दिया मैंने. And whenever I'm coming in my room, basically मैं periodic table को देखता रहता था. Now at least I have like the आंख बंद करके मैं SPD block तो बिल्कुल effectively बना सकता हूँ. And the same thing students, as you are also like little bit less active in F block, the same situation from my side, but right now I'm like remembering everything, मुझे सब याद हो गया है. But फिर भी guys, you are 11th class and you are much more sharper. I'm assuming that you are much more sharp mind as respect to the R batches. You know very well, you are the modern one, you are the latest model. Okay, I'm the old model, maybe 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 years old, but you are the latest model right now. I'm the old one. Correct. So that's why I'm saying, guys, you are a little bit so smart. So it's better you can do the same technique. It will be really helpful for you. Correct, everyone. So this F block element is nothing. It's a group number third. They are belonging to group number third. So that will be fine for you. That will be fine for you, students. Now I'm moving towards the JBR7 batch. JBR7. Wait for a while. Where is my notes? That is a periodic table. Will the timing of the class changes? But I think this week na the class timing is not changed. I don't know why, but management ने बोला था कि यार class timing will be must be changed, but there is no change. I don't know why. It may be like some 2 3 days or maybe from the next week onward. Definitely you will get some time changes. I think your class till 4:30. I think I'm not damn sure, guys. So please don't think that it's a announcement by the management. It's just kind of a probability. I'm telling you, your class is most probably till 4:30. So after that you have some little bit rest time, some play time, and after that you can focus on your work. Sir, all the classes timing will change. Will change now. Right now there are no change. Right now we are following the old timetable right now. Okay, बच्चों. So now we are moving towards the next one. अपन next की तरफ continue करते हैं. Okay, listen carefully now. So guys, first do one thing. Please write down that all the parts. पहले लिखो इसे फटाफट. Do fast. Write down. Write down everyone. लिखो बेटा. When you finish these things, just give me a short message. Write down everyone. Can you scroll once, say what are NP and NS? Beta, this NP and NS are the electrons. These are the electrons, outermost electron. Don't worry, when I will do some practice, na, you will better understanding that part. So this is IP over the net, sir. I'm not getting beta. This is the NP electron, N minus 1 D electron, NS electron. Done, everyone? Good. Done, everyone? Done, everyone? Now it's time to solve the question. Now it's time to solve the things. Okay. So what are the things, students? Listen carefully. Let's say if I'm saying beta sodium, let's say if I'm giving you the sodium, okay. So let's say if I'm saying sodium, look at here. So guys, sodium का atomic number क्या होता है बेटा? 1s11, and that will be electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, and beta then after that we have 2p6, 3s1. So the last electron enter into a s orbital. That's why their block is s. What about period number? Highest value of n, that is called principal quantum number, the outermost one. So that's why their period number is 3. And what about group number, students? So look at the s block formula. Their formula is what beta? Number of ns electron. So number of ns electron what beta? Number of ns electron का मतलब क्या है? Number of ns electron का मतलब है What do you mean by ns electron? Outermost electron, and they have the value of 1. That's why their group number is 1. Write down that particular example. Write down everybody. Write down everybody. Write down everybody. Write down everyone. Done everyone. Now can you please find out? Now you can find out. Let's say if I'm given you aluminium. Aluminium le lo. Find out aluminium. Firstly, the atomic number you can find out. Atomic number 13. So according to 13, write down their electronic configuration. And after electronic configuration, please tell me their block number, period number, and the group number. Guys, don't take the help of the periodic table. Sometimes you will get some unknown element, and then they will find out. Please tell me their if I'm given you an unknown element, any unknown element, so you will find out the things. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So everybody give me a, I think the correct one. Now I will open the answers. So this is the answer for the aluminium. How many students got the correct answer? How many doctors got the correct answer? Everybody got the correct answer. Sarmista, Preetham, Vigna, Hemant, Dr. Ashrita. Very nice. So I think everybody got the correct answer. Correct. Let's say some students have some issues. So don't worry. I'm with you. Now try to find out iron. Their atomic number is 26. Okay. Try to find out their block. Okay, we'll explain the group number. देखो बेटा प्रीतम, the things is that बेटा I'm already tell you that for p block element you need to add 10 plus ns electron plus np electron. So I'm doing the same thing beta. I'm doing the same thing. What I'm doing, here, 10 electron plus 2 electron plus np electron, correct? Yes students, प्रीतम आपको समझ नहीं आया ये? देखो बेटा, again look at here. What will be the p block formula beta? Number of np मतलब outermost electron, number of ns means outermost s electron plus 10, that is the group number formula. And beta same formula we are applying here. Sir, how can you know that this is the formula? But first we find out the block. This is for p block, so first we find out what this is the formula for p block, so we can apply the formula. This is ns electron, this is np electron, this is ns, this is np, plus 10 we get the desired group number. And what about period beta? Highest value of n value is 1 2 2 3 3, so highest value what? 3, so we get the 3. Correct everybody? I hope this time you will get the things. Now I'm talking about iron. Look at the iron, everyone. There are some problem in iron. I don't know why. Guys, I'm telling you, for block chemistry, when you fill the electron, last electron enter into a d orbital. So when the electron enter into a d orbital, sir, how to know that it belongs to the block? Anushka, yaar, what I'm saying, you are not listening me. What I'm writing here, beta, for block chemistry, last electron. So beta 25 electron, when you write the 25, so you write the same thing and you write 3d5. But when we add one more electron, where the electron gone? In d orbital. So when the last electron enter into a d orbital, so we called d block. Listen yaar, listen. मुझे सुनो बेटा. You are not listening. So this is the D block. Now the group number. So what about the group number, students? Group number के लिए the formula already we have written here. What the formula? The formula is n minus 1 d electron plus ns electron. N minus d, n minus 1 d and ns electron. Now the problem is that sometimes students are troubled. What do you mean by n minus 1? What do you mean by ns? So guys, do one thing. N value basically the highest value, highest. Can anybody tell me what will be the highest value here of n? Highest value. What will be the value in this electronic configuration? Put the value here. Put the value. So 4 minus 1 d electron plus 4s electron. N value 4, 4s electron. Put the value. 4s electron कितना है? 2. 3, 4 minus 1, 3d. 3d electron how many? 6. So what will be the group number? 8. Answer. And what about period number? Period number, I'm already tell you highest value of n. So what will be the highest value here? What will be the highest value? 4, sir. That's why their group number is 4. Some students are giving me an answer of 3. But 3 is not the answer. Why are you not writing comfortably and try to understand the things? I'm already write down highest principal quantum number. Highest principal quantum number. I hope you will get the things. Okay, for more practice, do one thing. I will suggest one more important thing. Students, open the periodic table in front of you. Okay, and put any one element. Put any one element. Now you know the period number, you know the group number, you know the block chemistry. Now you can prove by these formulas. You can do the reverse thing. You know the answer and just prove that part. Sir, in Fe, how is NS2? Sarmista, you forget the electronic configuration, how to write the electronic configuration. Because when we write the electronic configuration is this one. ये electronic configuration ये होता है. And if you don't know the electronic configuration, that will be a trouble for me. Have you covered the electronic configuration topic in atomic structure topic? Electronic configuration topic. Have you covered or not? No, if you are not covered, that will be okay. So do one thing, students. If you are not covered, that will be not a problem for us. Write down the journal electronic configuration. I'm writing already. I'm thinking you already done. That's why I'm not writing. So you may write the journal electronic configuration. Now if I'm saying 26, so beta 2 plus 2, 4, 10, 12, 18, 20 and 20 plus 6. So that will be the iron electronic configuration. Okay. Every time n is highest value, but you can find out the n value highest, because in d block element this is the highest value. Please don't say 3. Correct everyone? So do one thing, please don't be confused about this part. Don't worry, I have a solution of everything. Don't worry, because I'm your teacher and you are my patient right now. I'm the doctor of your now. I'm the senior doctor, I think. I'm the senior doctor. Okay, right now you are doing some kind of apprentice. Correct. So guys, this is the journal electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2. So according to the electron number, because atomic number is nothing, it's a number of electrons. You can write down the electronic configuration. Correct. एक डॉक्टर 100 के ऊपर पेशेंट. ठीक है ऋषिकेश, you are the patient right now, so I will treat you. Guys, I'm giving you one more question so that at least you have some clarity about this particular topic. Okay, I will give one more thing. You may write. You need to find out yourself the atomic number as well as like everything you need to find out. I'm just giving you atomic number. So atomic number है the atomic number. Wait, I'm giving you. Okay, write down atomic number 31. Can you please find out their block, block, group number, and period number. We remember first you need to find out the block every time. Otherwise, you are in a trouble. Okay. So 31, according to the general electronic configuration, count the first 31 and write down the electronic configuration. Can you please tell me now, doctors, you are lazy right now. I don't know why you are lazy right now. Very nice, Renuka. Dr. Renuka, good. Wow, 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 wow. Grishma, good. Good. So guys, listen carefully. So everybody, I think, got the correct answer. But still, if you have some problems, so I'm writing down. Look at here. Atomic number क्या होगा बेटा? देखो, one. Although I remember that one. Okay, you may also remember. Don't worry. In future, you will also the Rajnikant. You are the Chitti. We remember in the future. Right now, you don't have a practice now. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10. This is 30. And after that, we have 5. Sorry, ये हो गया 1s2, 2s2. हाँ ठीक है. Then we have 4p1. Correct, everyone? This is the correct electronic configuration. Now, what about the block? Sir, last electron enter into a p block. So it's a p block. Okay. Sir, what about group number? So Preetham, you remember 10 plus ns electron. What is ns? 4s electron. Plus np 1 plus 1. So sir, 13. And what about Preetham? Group period number? Period numbers are highest value of n, that will be 4. So period number is 4. Correct, everyone? Correct, everyone? So how many students got the correct answer? Will you please tell me that very honestly? I'm getting a little bit idea that how many students got the correct things on the right track right now. Very good, Hemant, Renuka. Sir, I messaged up at the group number, but I understand now. Very good. Massed up. Okay, massed up. Some students got the early like confirmation on the early understanding. Some have a little bit take some time. It's depend on IQ to IQ. It's not a very thing. Okay. The thing is that beta after the topic, how much you will get the things and how much you can solve the things. That will be the important one. So do the practice, do the hard work. You will definitely get something more. I think this is the competition rule. Okay. You are being disciplined. you are being continue, that will be a competition, a healthy competition, we can say. Everybody done that portion? Everybody done the portion? Done, everyone? Raya, why are you not speaking here? Is there any kind of the pause button now you are pressing? Because everybody stopped right now. Nothing is happened right now. Okay. Done, everyone? Okay, students. Now I'm continuing with the effective nuclear charge. But before moving towards the that particular topic, now we need to discuss some important points, students. We need to discuss some very important points. What are the points? We'll just wait for a while. Rough work. Look at here, everyone. Stop writing, stop chatting, everything stop. Look at here, everyone. We have a nucleus, and let's say we have this two cell, let's say, and there is one electron. Correct, everyone? Now, better this electron will attract because this is a nucleus and this is a negative charge electron, and their attraction power is 10 units. Let's say. Okay. Correct, everyone? So we have a 10 units attractive for students. Okay. Now this thing is clear to you. Is there any problem? Because positive negative attract each other. Answer, this is a nucleus and this is an electron. Correct? Is there any problem, students? Any problem? Any problem? No problem at all. Correct, everyone? Now let's say, guys, if we place a single electron here, let's say, tell me, let's say here we place the electron. Can anybody tell me, is there any influence between this electron to this electron with this attraction force? So I think there will be no influence because it is the outermost electron. So they will repel to each other, but there will be no influence on the 10 unit attractive force. Correct, everyone? Correct, everyone? Say yes, sir, or no, sir, yeah, at least. If this is a 10 unit, and sir, we have some outermost electron, and sir, there will be no influence on the inner electron or even electron. Now, guys, I am putting some E3 electron inside. Now, guys, you know very well, they will like drag outward. So they will also drag outward. They will drag some outward direction per. So there are some repulsive force. Let's say their unit is 2 unit inner electron. So can anybody tell me what will be the net nuclear charge present on E1 electron? What will be the net nuclear charge present on E1 electron? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me what will be the net? This is a repulsive force. Okay, that's why we sign minus sign. And this is the positive sign, means attractive force, we can say. Correct. Your answer is correct, students. 10 unit attractive force है, and we need to subtract 2 unit charge. Guys, sign को आप थोड़ा disturber ले रहे हैं, so you can forget the sign. That's it. 2 unit से opposite force है, 10 unit attractive force है. So what will be the net force? अरे common sense apply करो ना. If I'm kind of I'm holding your hand and will pull up from my side. I'm holding your hand and pull up. So I'm basically applying 10 unit force. But in the same time, your friend will pull up your second hand and say, no sir, इसे मत लेकर जाओ स्कूल में, इसे हॉस्टल में मत लेकर जाओ. Kind of situation we have. So they apply only of 2 unit charge. 2 unit, you can say the repulsive force kind of. So the net force, net nuclear force, yeah, we can say a perfect word, students, a very perfect word, Z effective. We can say effective nuclear charge. So this effective nuclear charge value क्या होगी बच्चों? Z effective is equal to Z minus 2, Z minus, this is the Z nuclear charge. And what is this? What is this, students? This is sigma. Oh, sigma. So we will get the perfect value of 8. So this is the effective nuclear charge. And what is sigma, sir? What is sigma? Can anybody tell me what is sigma here? What is sigma here? What is sigma here? So sigma is a intervening, you can say inter-electronic repulsion. We called a very perfect name called screening effect. We called screening effect. Sometimes we called shielding effect. Sometimes we called shielding effect. Any problem? Any problem? Sir, this is an inter-electronic repulsion. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, is there any problem, students? So what do you mean by effective nuclear charge? Now I think you understand. Now I think you understand. Sir, let's say now one question from your side. Sir, we have a single electron. We have a single electron. Can anybody tell me what will be the relation of Z and Z effective now? If we have a single electron. Very simple question, or maybe hard question, I think. This is a very hard one, I think. Very difficult question I put here. We have a single electron. What will be the relation between Z and Z effective? Is it equal to, or is it greater, or is it lesser than? Tell me one thing. Equal, greater, or lesser than? Equal, greater, or lesser than? So Sri Vigna, Dr. Sri Vigna, I think you are a neurosurgeon and you give me a very perfect answer. Oh my God, Sarmista. But I'm telling you, there is a repulsive force. That's why we subtract. Is there any repulsive force, Sarmista beta? Is there any repulsive force? Is there any repulsive force? No. So it means sigma value here 0. So both are equal. Oh my God. Correct, everyone. These are the things we need to realize here right now. Okay. Acetyl salicylic acid. That is a composition of disperine, acetyl salicylic acid. Okay, this is a disperine formula. Hmm. Now students, now students, now students, you need to write some kind of theory we have. So आपको theory लिखना है. Okay. So write down the theory. Make this diagram firstly. Okay, diagram को बनाओ. This is the same thing I explained here. So write down firstly this diagram. Okay, this diagram will give some more information. This is the Z effective, this is Z, that is sigma, and then write down the theory portion. Write down everyone and just give me a confirmation when you finish these things. Everybody write down. Firstly, the diagram. Write down everyone. It is raining over there. Oh my God. Very nice. Pritam, it means inner electrons shield the outermost electron, beta. Done, everyone. Can we scroll down? Okay, these all are the same thing students. Write down till factors affecting तक लिखो बेटा. Very good, Dakshraj. Done. Good, Harshita. Done, everybody. So, guys, now I'm reading one time at least so that you can understand the things. Look at here. Look at the screen, students. I'm saying in case of multi-electron species, the intervening. What do you mean by intervening, students? Intervening means are inner electrons. So inner electron reduce the force of attraction of the nucleus on the outermost electron. Outermost. Called screening effect or shielding effect. The second point, students, inner electron shield the outer electron from the attractive force exerted by the nucleus. So inner electron shield the outer electron from the attractive force exerted by the nucleus. So Z effective क्या होगा बेटा? Z effective will be Z minus sigma. And what will be the Z effective? Z effective is the effective nuclear charge. Z effective what beta? Effective nuclear charge. What will be Z? Sir, nuclear charge. And sir, what about sigma? Sir, screening constant or shielding constant. Sir, both are same? Yes, my dear, both are same. बोलो बच्चों, done that part? Done that part, students? Give me a confirmation. Everybody done, I think. Okay, now write down the next heading, but we are not continuing this part. Right now, I'm discussing the things. मैं paper discuss करता हूँ, then after that I will take some your doubts. Okay, beta? Okay, everyone. It's better for you also. Done, everyone. Guys, what about your paper date? Can you please tell me what is your paper date? 26, 25, then 24, I think. 24. Okay. Done, everyone. चलो बच्चों. So now open your test paper. Open your test paper, students. Guys, done that part. Now open your paper. हाँ students. Wait, I'm little bit change the size, the things. We are using that one, and I'm using a little bit change in the paper color. I'm using kind of black one. That will be the interesting one. Okay, sometimes we use some different color. We are getting a little bit bored about that part now. We are using yellow color. That will be better. Uh, hmm. Yes, students. Now this color is a little bit dark. We'll do one thing. We can change. Oh my God. Is it not visible now? चलो फिर white ही कर लेते हैं. Okay. Students, now tell me. Now I'm opening your question paper. Okay, I will take your organic chemistry doubts को अपन हल कर लेते हैं. कर तो दिया यार ऋषिकेश. So guys, open your chemistry paper. Okay, I'm putting the questions from the back end, like the 45 question. So open your 45 question. Now you will get the different pattern also, no? That's a good thing. So guys, open your 50 question. 50 question. That is your paper or some other paper? MB batch. Yes. Open your paper, students. The 50th question. I'm talking about. I'm taking from the initial one. Guys, your exam on 24th, na? Your exam on 24th, na? This Saturday. Okay. So here we have organic chemistry questions. Okay, good. That will be the first question. Look at the 24 question. Look at the 24. So tell me your doubts till 24 to 30. 24 to 30. Tell me students, I'm taking your organic chemistry doubt. So now I'm taking 26, 27, 28. Okay. 25 is also their doubt. Okay. So look at the 25 question firstly. All the members of a homologous series have same molecular mass. So my dear students, if I'm talking about CH4 and C2H6, they are homologous to each other, but their molecular mass is not same. Their molecular formula is not same. Their physical properties are not same, but their journal formula, that is CnH2n plus 2, that both are same. So that's why beta D is the correct option in the 25th question. Now beta look at the 26th question. 26th question, they are saying CH3COO CH2CH3 and CH3CO CH2O CH3, means we are getting such kind of thing. This is the what beta? This is what? This is what? Sir, this is ether. No, aster. Aster. And sir, this is what? This is what students? Sir, this is carbonyl group, means ketone. And sir, this is the ether group, ether. So guys, their functional is changed. Functional. You remember FMCP, FMPC, FMCP, FMPC. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. FMCP. So we give priority to the functional isomers firstly, then meta isomerism. So 26 beta functional group isomerism because aster, and the second one we have the carbonyl and the ether we have. Correct, everyone? The 27th question. Look at the 27th question. Look at the 27. Look at 27 question. The highest catenation ability is shown by. So I think this is the one of the brilliant question, because guys, you have already done in the 10th class, 9th class catenation property number of times. So the highest catenation, oxygen की catenation 2 होती है बेटा, सल्फर ऑक्सीजन के नीचे तो होता है, तो ये भी 2 से ही जुड़ रहा होता है. कार्बन showing the maximum catenation ability, they are not saying the number, it's saying ability. तो ability तो highest होती है, कार्बन की ही होती है. That will be the highest value of carbon. 27th question. Now look at the 28th question, students. Which of the following is unsaturated? Which of the following is unsaturated? So guys, this is the CH3, C triple bond in CH3, C double bond OH, and CH2 double bonds. Oh my God, we got the answer in all of these. So guys, sometimes students are saying, sir, this is also unsaturated. I know this is unsaturated beta, but a general mean of unsaturated means we are talking about carbon double bond. So beta carbon जो double bond है, that only present in the C option beta, C option. Okay, because everybody put the answer D, I know very well. But guys, this is a functional group, okay? And functional group में अपन we are not talking about their saturation, unsaturation. Saturation, unsaturation means we are talking about carbon multiple bonds, either double, either triple. So this is very important for you. Correct. This is the 28th question. Now guys, till 30, is there any other doubt? Or we can move towards the 31 to 35. So now guys, 31 to 35, tell me about your doubt. 31 to 35. So Lakshmi Lahari, give me a 33. Lakshmi Lahari, Sarmista said 33. And Lakshmi Lahari is giving me a 31. Okay. Look at the 33 firstly. Or 31 firstly. 31 को देख लेते हैं. They are saying the hybridization present on C2 and C3. C2 and C3. So बेटा ये तो बहुत ही आसान है. This is the very simple thing. They already give what? Look at here. This is sp2 and this is sp. For this question, this 31 question, I'm telling you if all the carbons are sigma. So sp3. We have carbon double bond kind of situation we have. So beta we are saying it's a sp2, one double bond, any one pi bond. And beta if two pi bond, either this one or either this one, it's your choice. All are what beta? All are what? sp hybridized. So this is the 32 question. Now look at the 33 question. So 33 question, how many sigma bonds present between sp2 and sp2 hybridized atom? So my dear students, this question is very tough. बहुत ही tough question है. I will show you by the big diagram. Oh my God. Oh my God. So first point out the sp2. This is sp2, 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 sp2. So sigma, how many sigma students? How many sigma bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Correct everyone? Okay everyone. So 23 instead of 4. Beta third is the answer. They are saying unsaturated with respect to beta hydrocarbon we are saying. Okay. Saturation, unsaturation means beta carbon double bond. I'm saying already this point. They gave 3, that is the correct one. So guys, how many sigma bonds? How many sigma bonds? That will be sp2 hybridized. So sir, 11 bonds, because all green colored carbon are sp2 hybridized. Correct students? Done everyone. Now till 35, is there any other problem? Any other problem, doctors? So Dr. Sarmita has one issue in the 35 question. So look at the 35 question. 35. So which of the following compound has sp, sp2 and sp3 hybridized carbon atom? So let's say if I'm finding out the first one. Sir Mr. If you have some other doubts in some other question, other options, so you can tell me. Because right now I'm giving you directly the answer beta. So beta, this is sp3 because all are sigma. 1 pi sp2, 2 pi sp, 1 pi sp2, sp3. Beta, they contain sp3, sp2 and sp. That's why A is the correct option. Look at the B option, second option beta, sp3 and sp. Fourth option में आपको problem है. Very nice beta. So we are getting this one. Oh my god, sir, sp, 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 sp2. Where is sp3? Oh, so not answer. Correct beta. Till 35. Okay, guys, can you please tell me, doctors, if you are not speak with your patient, let's say if I'm not speaking with you, so if you are not replying me, so guys, how can I get your problem? Arey, you in future you are a doctor na, and patient in front of you and they are become silent in front of you. Now you are saying what? Why are you so silent? If you are not interact with us, how can I know that what the basic problem you are facing right now? So guys, try to fill that part and give me a reply at least, yeah. Give me a reply. Now beta, look at the 46 to 50 question. 46 to 50. 46 to 50. देखो बेटा, although 50 question is kind of the out of the box question, so 50 question तो थोड़ा out of to the box question है. Yes, truth. ठीक है, मैं 50 question को बोलता हूँ कि this is the part of physical chemistry. No, this is a part of basic inorganic nomenclature. Let's say if you get some bonus kind of thing in 50 question, so we'll definitely give you. The question is correct. Potassium zinc at that one. So now guys, tell me 46 to 50. If you have any problem, so you can please tell me. 41 to 50. 46 to 50. 46 to 50. Sir, please give some homework. Guys, you are not saying anything, na? I'm speaking with myself right now. This is the situation of my students, na? My students are so chill that she knows that sir, Naveen sir will definitely handle all these things. So we don't have any kind of problem. Okay. 46 to 50, any problem, students? If you don't have a problem, so say no, sir, yaar. Simply said no, sir. That's it. When you are not speaking, na, I'm assuming that you are not there in my class. Okay, you will get some answer key also kind of. So you can take the help of that one also in future. If you have still some doubts, you can take the help of me also. When we will discuss the doubts. Okay, good. हाँ guys, when you are saying no doubt ना, it will be little bit more comfortable for me. Correct. अब अपन ना एक बार शीट को ओपन करते हैं periodic table की को. Open the periodic table sheet of your MB batch. Where is your sheet of? It's a GOC. Wait a minute. IUPAC, atomic structure, P block, S block, GOC, environmental chemistry. So this is for organic chemistry, and this is for physical chemistry portion. And beta, we have a periodic table. Yes, sir. So periodic table में sir, what we need to solve, sir? So beta, you need to solve. Write down your homework, students. Homework. After that, I will take your doubts. I'm getting totally free right now. After that, so exercise 1, beta. Section A, you need to solve. Okay. Section A को solve करेंगे. Section. Where is section B? I just want to check the section B. Section B, Stirling effect, Z effect. Z effect को अभी थोड़ा skip करेंगे. So it's better, guys. You can solve. So exercise 1, section A. Exercise 2, section A, you need to solve from at your home. This is a very small homework, guys. Within 30-40 minutes, I think you can cover these things. So my humble request, if you have some doubts, we can discuss your doubts tomorrow also. Correct, students? Now, guys, tell me your openly your doubt. If you have some any other kind of doubt, so you can ask me. From my side, that will be the sufficient for today. Done. Guys, if you have some other doubts, so you can ask me. Do one thing, students. Do one thing. Just open the periodic table and try to remember this particular periodic table. Now, I will show you the periodic table. I will show you the periodic table. Open the periodic table, students, and try to learn. Right now, try to learn. Come on, students. Is it visible to everyone? Is it visible to everyone? Visible to everyone, I think. Is it visible to you, students? Doctors, I'm putting the question in front of you. That is it visible to you? Visible? So guys, now remember, start from the hydrogen atom and try to remember till atomic number 30. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, manganesium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. So remember in such a way. Come on. And after that, please tell me that, sir, I have remember. Then you can unmute yourself. I will give the permission, and you can tell to me also the atomic number 1 to 30, element name. Do it fast. Do it fast. Take your time, 5 to 10 minutes, and do this task right now. Hmm. Take a sip of water also in between them. Anushka, I'm saying better learn the periodic table 1 to 30. And those students who got 1 to 30, na, now remember, learn the P block element vertically, like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. How to learn P block vertically, like a batik? Is there any trick or concept? Thodi na. You need to remember directly. When you learn the ABCD, Srisa beta, you are not saying how we remember how to learn the ABCD. You mug up the things. Now I'm telling you that this is the periodic table ABCD. You are saying, sir, give me a concept. This is the ABCD na for chemistry. Yes, sir, like horizontally or vertically. Now I got it. Very good. Just try to remember. And this is directly copy paste from the NCRT beta. And you know very well for the NEET students, NCRT is kind of the, you know, the very kind of traditional book. Guys, learn the S block as well as P block, both the blocks. Try to remember. First 30 done. Very good, Sarmista. Open your periodic table. You have also already drawn that particular periodic table now. How many students got the 1 to 30 atomic number? 1 to 30. Very good, Sarmista. Hemant, good. Shirisha, good beta. So 3 students only. What about rest students? You are doing what? What are you doing? Do the part very effectively, students. I got till 40. Oh my God. Remember till 30, yeah. Reason that will be sufficient, beta. That will be sufficient, my dear. I got S block and boron family, but I'm not get others. Any mug up tips? Yeah, like Hemant, yeah, I'm telling you already the thing that I pasted the periodic table in my room, and I remember directly, yeah, without any kind. Like we know very well. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, sulfur, bromo, iodine, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, bangan, alu, gobi, in thella, the boron family. You can find out some Google trick. आपको मिल जाएगी Google trick, but it's better you can directly learn. It will be more better, I think. वो ज्यादा better है बेटा. Okay, when you learn 2 3 more 4 times 5 times 6 times the same thing beta, definitely in future you will get like everything, you will get the things. फिर कोई problem नहीं आता है. Correct. Chalo, that's it from today right now. We will end up the class right now, but I'm giving you one homework, the earlier one. Guys, I'm repeating that particular part. What the part, beta? Dekho, we need to learn. I'm telling you, this thing will very helpful for you. And whenever you need that particular thing, you remember myself कि नवीन सर ने हमें याद कराया था बेटा. Atomic number, I'm talking about element, I'm talking about atomic number, I'm talking about atomic mass number. At least remember till 1 to 30. Okay, then after that, S block, P block, and the D block. Till here, I'm given you a boundary line. I'm given you a boundary line. So remember till here. Till here. Like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, scandium, ytterbium, lanthanum, titanium, zirconium, hafnium, vanadium, niobium, tantalum, chromium, molybdenum, tungsten, manganese, technetium, rhenium, iron, ruthenium, osmium, cobalt, rhodium, iridium, nickel, palladium, platinum, copper, silver, gold, zinc, cadmium, mercury, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, oxygen, sulfur, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Then after that, you may remember this element: cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dioserbium, holmium, eribium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium, thorium, proactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americum, curium, barkelium, CFES आप खुद से देख लेंगे. ये I think Frank Mendelium, Lawrencium. You may remember some like मेरे को कुछ याद नहीं है. So you may write down that particular one. So guys, first to 30 element, atomic number, mass number. Then beta इसमें SPD block vertically till here. Beta this is a radioactive series, radioactive. So radioactive series ko there will be no benefit at all. Okay, remember at least on the priority basis. If you remember SPD block on the priority basis, in future you will get some more benefit. So guys, we remember. Okay, Srisha beta, remember the atomic mass also till 30, only till 30, not 40 I'm saying. ES is Einsteinium. Okay, and what about the next one? ES के बाद क्या होगा? चलो प्रीतम मुझे बता ही दो. ES, then Einsteinium, MD for Mendelium, Famium. Okay, Famium, MD for Mendelium, NO for F for Francium. That will be done. NO for Nobelium. Okay, Nobelium. And LR for Lawrencium. CF for what is CF? कैलिफोर्नियम, ओके। you know very well California के like we have almonds है ना, walnuts, we have the California walnuts, California, what the mean of California here? University of California is popular for the university in chemistry. हाँ बिल्कुल सही बात है. It seems sir I just saw in Google. हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल, University of California is one of the brilliant university. Chile students, so that's it from right now. We have already given exercise 1 and exercise 2 section A complete, and the periodic table you need to learn here. This 3 work you need to finish till today, not tomorrow. Correct, doctor? So that's it from today right now. We will meet tomorrow. Have a good day. Take care. Be happy. And same to you, Sarmishta, Parita.